In this video, I'm going to show you how to add CSV to CoinTracker. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the wallet section over here on the left, and then you want to go and basically click on Add Wallet, and you want to search for CSV like this, and you want to click on CSV over here. Now, when you do this, you can give your wallet a name. I'm just going to leave it as CSV, and then you have to select a CSV file to upload, or just drag and drop it in here, okay? Now, if you're not sure how to actually do this, you have to basically export transaction file from your exchange or wallet, and then you have to reformat it using basically their template and guide. So if you need the guide, it's over here, but if you want the template, you can download it by clicking on this button, opening up like this, and it should look like this over here. So your CSV file should look like this in order, okay? Now, whenever you have that, you can then go ahead and import it. So if I just basically close that down, I actually have a sample over here, just a sample I actually generated for the sake of this tutorial. So I have the sample, I'm going to drop it in like that. It's going to start uploading your file, and then it's going to say that it's been validated. You can just click on import, and it's going to start importing your file. Now, I have generated this with ChatGPT just to be able to show you how it looks, but over here on the right, it's basically going to pop up all the balances that were kind of extracted from my CSV document. So usually this takes a few seconds, up to like a minute, depending on how large your CSV document is and how many lines of CSV you actually had in there. As you can see, for me, it's loading quite a little bit, but of course, whenever that's done, there we go. I'll be able to see everything on here on the right. The sample data has been inputted, and I can now find it under transactions over here. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.